Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're all doing well. What we're doing today is we're going to be shooting. Let me just turn you around. So we're going to shoot the Cometa FENIX 400 again with a selection of pellets. See if we can get it to group this week, because it didn't do very well last week. I'm going to start with the same pellets I were using last week. What I have done is cleaned the barrel since last time, and we've now got a V-yoke rest on the tripod. So let's see how we get on. Okay. Hopefully we've got the wireless microphone sorted this week and I won't have to do any voiceover. Like I say, a slight breeze today, so not ideal for trying to shoot tight groups, but let's see how we get on. 5 shots at each point, and yeah. Well, that was way off aim point, but let's just shoot 5 shots and see where they go. Well, that was right next to the first one, which is encouraging. These are JSB Exact Diablos 4.52, which I've had best results with my other springers, so I think maybe the barrel was a bit manked up. So I'm going to shoot 2 5-shoot group shots with every pellet. 3, 6, 8 different pellets. That's what I'm going to do today. What to be wondering about again? Right, not brilliant. I'll just take you down and show you that. Shooting at 16 meters, which is as much as I can get in this garden. So there you go. Not a brilliant group. So I'm going to shoot another group here with those pellets and then work us around, way around clockwise to the centre. Okay, back in a bit. Now on to the JSB Diablo Hades, which are my heaviest pellets. Let's see how we get on with them. So, second group with the JSB Diablo Exacts 4.52s, a bit better. These were the JSB Diablo Hades. Quite a nice group there with one flyer. Second group with them, kind of getting a bit better. They felt a lot slacker in the barrel putting them in, so that could make a difference. So let's go on to the next pellets. Okay. Right, 2 5-shot groups with the H&N field target trophies. First group was here, one up there. Second group aiming at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one there. So still a bit scattered. Onto the Barracuda 8s now. So these were the H&N Barracuda 8s. Tight group there, a couple of flyers, and these were all vertical, which kind of looks like slight difference in weights in pellets, but Shouldn't really be that bad over such a short distance, but anyway, we're going to change the card and move on to the next pellets. Right, that's camera set up by the target, and we're going to go shoot some more different pellets. Hopefully the wireless microphone is still picking up. So now it's the Air Arms Diablo field, which are 8.4 grains. It's kind of standard kind of weight of pellet. Let's see how we get on. Starting top right and working our way around clockwise as usual. I don't know why I start top right. Hopefully the camera's far enough out of the way to not be a problem. Bit of a breeze. I don't know why I'm narrating to this, because I'm probably going to speed this up when I post the video. But hey ho. Well, first two almost touching. See if we can keep this up. Quite liking this V-yoke gun rest. It's quite very easy to get it set at the perfect height. I pull that slightly to the left, which is where it went. These seem quite a nice fit in the breech. Not tight, not slack. Right, next one down, next cross. I think. Shall I just carry on and shoot the next pellet? And I'll probably speed it up. So, next pellets are the QYS domed 8.48 grain. Let's see how we get on with these. Bottom right target this time. Let's see how these feel in the breech. Yeah, it's not bad, slightly tighter than the air arms, but see how these do. Right, I'm going to stop recording now and shoot the last 2 tins and then show you the results. So back in a bit. So that's what these pellets are, the SMK Victory Shocks, which are 8.1 grains, so slightly lighter. And here's the 2 groups of shot with them. So that was the first one, which is very nice, and that was the second one, which you know, could be better, but could be me as well. So on to the last lot of pellets, which are the RWS Superfield. Let's see how we get on with them. Back in a bit. Last but not least are the RWS Superfield 8.3 grains. Yeah, and here's how they did. This group here, and the flyer there, and that group there. So looking at that, that was probably the best group, which were the SMK Victories. That were a good group as well, and that one. So at least we're getting it to group now, which is encouraging. Are we still recording? Yes, right. So let me just zoom out a bit. New camera and all. So here's where we, no, that's not where we started, is it? It's that one. So we started off with the GSP Diablo Exacts. Group 1, Group 2. Group 2 actually wasn't that bad, was it? Looking at them. Second pellet, GSP Hades. Very nice group there with a flyer and spreading out a bit on the second group. Third pellets were the H&N Field Target Trophies, which was this group here and this group here, which weren't brilliant. Then on to the Barracuda 8s, which were a bit scattered as well. And then the Air Arms Diablo Field, and 2, which again, not bad. QIS Domed, slightly more spread out. SMK Victory Shots, that's quite a nice little group there. The RWS Superfield, slightly spread out again. So yeah, mixed results there. You know, a tight group there with the Hades and then a bit of a scattered one. Could have been me as well. So at least we know we can get some reasonable groups with the right pellets. Let me just show you the yoke that I got off AliExpress. Nice rubber mounts there, very soft and but solid base, which is pretty good. I quite like that. So anyway, let's just turn you around. Come on. Still getting used to this new camera, but thank you for watching. I hope that was of interest to somebody, and I hope the audio's okay this week, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.